Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of MATLAB Simulink Essentials. After watching this video, you will get to know about Simulink Workspace, library browser, and various commands or shortcuts which we can use. This is the MATLAB window, and here you will find Simulink tool. Click on this. Click on Create Blank Model. First of all, we will save our file. So while saving, you cannot start your file name with the number, and also you cannot add space in between the two words. So instead you can use the underscore. So I will give my file name as a_1. So here you will find the library browser, inside which various libraries are present, and inside each library different components are present. In this course we will be using Simscape library. So just go inside this electrical and open up this specialized power system library. So in this you will find electrical machines. Here you can see different types of electrical machines are present. If you will go inside this power electronics section, you will find various power electronics blocks such as IGBT, MOSFET, thyristor. So in this entire course we will be dealing with this specialized power system block. Now to bring this component into the workspace, there are various methods. The first method is that simply choose the block, right click on it, and you will get add block to the model. So click on that. If you will check the workspace, the model will have got added to the workspace. Another method to bring the component into the workspace is that click on the component which you will be needing, just drag it to the workspace. So these are the two methods by which you can bring the component from the library browser. Another method which is present in the newer versions is that you need to double click on this workspace and search for the block or the component which you will be requiring. So suppose I am requiring thyristor. So here the thyristor is present in the specialized power system as well as the semiconductors library, but as I told earlier, we will be using the components mostly from this specialized power system library. So choose that one. To copy, or first of all we will rename this block. So I will give the name as S1 for switch 1. To copy this block, we can simply click on the control and drag this block. We can make any number of copies as per our requirement. In our model, we may need to rotate our block. So to rotate the block, simply click on this block and press Ctrl plus R key. So by clicking Ctrl plus R, the block will get rotated. We will see how to do this connection in our future videos. If you will double click on this block, you will get the block parameter window. So first of all, here you will get some information about the component which we have selected, then the parameters related to the component. If you are not satisfied with the information provided here, then you can simply click on this help tab. From that you will get the information provided by the MathWorks. Once our model is complete, we need to choose the runtime or the stop time and then save our file and run the model. That's all from this video. Check out the description box for the quiz and do answer them in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel Start Scratch, and do check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.